Hey guys, welcome to Blaney Allures. I'm so excited to teach you this method, how to gather fabric without using the gather footer. So if you do not have gather footer, you don't need to be afraid. I'm going to teach you how to gather your fabric without using the footer. So please watch this video till the end. So if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, or you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also please give this video a thumbs up and also share the link with others. I would love to know how you feel about this video. Please drop your comment in the comment section. After cutting the desired length of your fabric and the width of your fabric, you can go ahead and mark 1 inch from the tip of the fabric as shown in the video, 1 inch. From there you measure 1 inch and you just draw a straight line to the end of the fabric. That's if you cannot maintain a straight line using your sewing machine. So after drawing the first line, you can go ahead and also draw the second line. So you can draw up to 3 lines. So on these lines we are going to sew on them using loose stitch, that is on your stitch regulator in your machine. You are going to put it on 0. So we are going to sew straight loose stitch on these 2 lines. We are going to sew it straight to the end of the fabric. So I'll go to my sewing machine and do that. I have sewn the 2 lines using the loose stitch. Like I told you to put this stitch on 0. So on this part of the fabric, I will just cut out the rope at this side of the fabric. I'm going to cut the rope out. You can see as shown in the video. Please follow the instruction in the video. So I'll go ahead and cut the first rope, then I'll cut the other rope. Remember, it is 2 sides, so the other side the rope is still there. I did not cut the other side. If I assuming this is the wrong side of the fabric, the right side of the fabric rope is still intact. It's just the wrong side of the fabric that I cut that rope. So I'll go ahead and drag it. You drag it gently as shown in the video. If you watch this video carefully and watch how I did mine, you'll be able to gather your fabric beautifully. So like I told you, you can use 3 lines. That's if you are patient enough. So if you use 1 line, it will not be beautiful as 2 lines. So you drag gently, do not drag with force. You drag gently as shown in the video. You can see how I'm doing it softly. You drag gently till you have totally dragged all the fabric together to the length of your waist circumference, or whatever place that you want to put the gather. If it's your sleeve, you drag it to the sleeve circumference. It all depends on you. So if you have dragged one of the side and you feel that it is somehow you are finding difficulty in dragging it, you can go to the other side and cut as we did in this first place. You cut at one side, cut the 2 rope at one side, then at the other side you can go ahead and drag also. So that's how I'm going to drag it to the length, to the circumference of the waist of the client. You can see that it is very easy, very easy if you watch this video. So I'm just showing you how you can do yours. So if you don't have footer, you don't need to worry about getting a footer for now. If you don't have the fund, you can see how my fabric has really come out, and you can see the gather. It is so beautiful. So you can go ahead and arrange it. So after gathering it, you just have to leave it that way. You can see how I'm dragging it. You can see how I'm arranging it. You hold the up part of the fabric, then you hold the bottom, then you drag it and arrange it as I am doing in the video. That's how you're going to arrange it, so that when you sew it, it will be very beautiful. It will lie straight without having bumps and irregular draperies. Please share this link with others, and also Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will I will really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. I post videos on my channel every week, so do ensure to check on my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.